A bull in a china shop. A bull in a china shop. Meaning. A bull in a china shop describes someone who is very clumsy or careless in a delicate situation. In a sentence. He moves around like a bull in a china shop and breaks everything. Bite your tongue. Bite your tongue. Meaning. To bite your tongue means to stop yourself from saying something you want to say. In a sentence. She had to bite her tongue to avoid arguing. Asleep at the switch. Asleep at the switch. Meaning. Asleep at the switch means failing to notice something important or not paying attention when needed. In a sentence. The guards were asleep at the switch when the mistake happened. At sixes and sevens. At sixes and sevens. Meaning. At sixes and sevens means being in a state of confusion, disorder, or uncertainty. In a sentence. With all the sudden changes, the whole team was at sixes and sevens. Be above board. Be above board. Meaning. To be above board means to be honest, open, and completely legal or fair. In a sentence. She made sure all her business dealings were above board. Comment below with your example.